This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete Haynes online manual at haynes.com.
Thermostat renewal. Pull the bonnet release handle located in the driver's footwell. Release the safety catch and raise the bonnet. Release the clip on the air trunking hose. Undo the trunking retaining bolt. Disconnect the charge air pressure sensor wiring connector from the trunking. Release the lower bolt on the trunking. Unclip the trunking from the retaining clip. With all of the retainers released, remove the trunking from the car. Release the hose clamps and remove the 3 hoses from the thermostat housing. Remember, your car may be of the single hose type. On the 3 hose type, remove the pipe to block bolt. Unscrew the 2 securing bolts and remove the thermostat cover or housing complete with the thermostat. Note the locations of any brackets secured by the bolts. If refitting the 3 hose type of thermostat, discard the pipe sealing ring and renew it. On both types of thermostat, remove the housing sealing ring or O-ring seal as applicable. Fit a new ring or seal. Wipe the cylinder block with a clean cloth before installing the thermostat. Install the 3 hose type of thermostat, attaching the upper hose first before securing it with the 2 retaining bolts. Fit the upper hose clamp before attaching the remaining hoses and clamps. Refit the pipe to block bolt, if applicable. Refit the trunking removed earlier, ensuring all fasteners and the wiring connector are secure. Lower the bonnet and close it securely.